Hey guys and girls, whoa, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. We're gonna keep on doing some of this SFML stuff. So yeah, check it out. What we're gonna do today is fonts and text on screen. Alright, so this is gonna be kind of an intro. We're not gonna make a game out of this yet, just so it's kind of focused and concise. But what you want to do is you want to go into your folder where your solution is, where all your DLLs are and all your CPP files are. Your solution is here. You want to go into the folder after that, and then you want to create a new folder, call it fonts, and in this fonts folder just download any font. Now I already copy pasted one. Fonts have a TTF kind of extension, and then you want to just double click it and you want to say install, and then mine is already installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and just copy paste it in, and we're good. Now remember the name, alright? Just copy the name and go in to your SFML code. Now make a new example, of course, or a new CPP file, a new project, or whatever you want to do. Go ahead and copy this code in here. It's just our regular, starter code. Remove this, you don't want color red. But yeah, there you go. What you want to do then, assuming you did all this, is you want to create a font. Just call it font or whatever, and then font dot load from file. Then where did we keep it? Well, we kept it in fonts / and then you just copy paste this TTF. Alright, now you can make an if statement here and just say that if, whoops, sorry about that, if boom boom boom, then just throw could not open font, could not load font, whatever, and then we have kind of an error check on that, because it's not always gonna be able to load that. But yeah, assuming this all went well and it didn't throw, so we didn't crash, we're gonna make a text object, text, just call it text, so whatever you want. Then say text.load, or no wait, set font. You need to do this, otherwise it won't be able to print out the font or the text on screen. And then just give it the font that you loaded in. Now you can start doing stuff to this text. You can say text.set character size, for example. You're gonna have to play around with this because it's not always what you think. 24 might be too small for you, and so on and so on. And then you can do set color. Say we're gonna have color red, for example. What else can you do? You can do text.set style, and then say text bold, for example, to make it bold. We can do text dot, well, we'll just look at what you can do here. You can get local bounds to get the position of the text. You can set the origin, set the outline, set the position, rotation, scale. You can set the string, of course, that's what we're going to do at the end. And then you can get the style and all that stuff. There's a bunch of functions you can go through here and see what you want to do. And we can set the string. So we say, hey, I am a string of text in SFML brah, and just go ahead and do that. Now, just like any other object, it's kind of think of it as anything else, like a rectangle shape or something. You can draw it out, you can do whatever you want with it. Draw text, and hopefully this is gonna display our text. Now assuming it loads the font. Now it didn't crash yet. Okay, here you go. Hey, I am a string of text in SFML brah, and this is just your regular kind of font. Well, not your regular font. I'm saying it's an unusual font. Sorry, it's an unusual font. You can get something cleaner, and just go ahead and do that. Any font you want, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Let's set the text.set position. Let's say x is gonna be 0. Let's set x to 10 actually. and then window.getSize .y divided by 2, and that's gonna kind of put it in the center, kind of. Yeah, boom, there you go. You can change the position. I think you can move it as well. Move, yeah, you can move the text. So 0.1f, 0f. Let's see, it's gonna move slowly to the right, if I'm not wrong. That's a little bit too slow. Let's put it to 5. Oh, whoops. What you want to do is you want to put it in here. And then 5.f. Just go ahead and let it move to the side. You can do whatever you want. Boom. See? And how, you know, to not make this thing too short, we can make sure that text is always on the screen even though it's moving. So if text.getPosition.x is greater than window.getSize.x, then we're just going to text.setPosition 0, text.getPosition.y. So it's going to be kind of scrolling, or whatever you want to call it, in a way. Not completely scrolling, but just continuing on like this. And you can probably make a scrolling effect as well, where this part of the text is coming out here. But yeah, that would be for another video. I hope you learned something. I hope this was a good intro to text and font. And you can do a lot of stuff with this. It's great for UI, obviously, and stuff like that. And for text above a character, for example, HP, just hovering above the character. Whatever you want to do, you can do with this. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. I hope you learned something again, and keep learning. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.